Dash Lady. I'm Lynette and this is my daughter Esther. Hi. She's 8 years old this year and well, she's a very talented and very intelligent girl. She loves to draw and during her free time and she loves to read. She reads so many storybooks. And she's a very hardworking girl. She also helped me with my housework. And Esther, when you grow up, what do you want to be? She wants to be a doctor. I'm so happy for her. So you have to study hard, okay, Esther? So you have to eat balanced food and you have to drink more milk. Dash Lady is good for you, okay, Esther? Okay. Esther, so you have to concentrate in your class and pay attention to teacher, okay? When they come back from school, you have to do your revision, you have to study well, okay, Esther? You want to be a doctor? Mommy is so happy for you. And okay, Esther, do you want to take up go for art class? So that you can color better and draw better, okay? Okay, Mommy will send you for art class, okay? Okay. So Esther, we can go to the park and Mommy will take you to the park. Then you can draw the natures, the trees and the animals, okay? Okay. So, since she loves to draw so much, I'll try to encourage her to draw. And she loves to read, and we always take her to bookshop to buy books, and so that we can